Hello, my name is Chad Stiegel, and I am the Product Marketing Manager at Cornell for our new vendor partner, MediusGo. MediusGo is a cloud-based AP automation solution targeted for the mid-market. MediusGo is easy to configure, quick to implement, and priced to fit in the SMB/SME marketplace. I wanted to take a couple minutes to quickly show you how easy it is to get a configuration price for MediusGo. If you look at the screen, I've pulled up a price calculator for MediusGo. First step would be entering a customer name. I will enter ABC customer. Next step would be to select an ERP system. MediusGo is integrated with Acumatica, Xero, QuickBooks, NetSuite, Sage 50, Microsoft Great Plains, Microsoft Dynamics, Microsoft 365, and SAP Business One. For this exercise, we'll go ahead and select QuickBooks. Next, you would enter the amount of invoices per year, not the amount of pages or the amount of fields you're capturing, just the number of invoices. Whether it's 10 pages or 1 page, it does not impact how the solution would be priced. In this scenario, we'll go ahead and do 3,000 invoices for the year. Next, we would select whether it's PO matching or non-PO matching. In this scenario, we'll go ahead and keep PO matching as an option. And then we select the PDF proposal button. And just like that, you have a proposal for MediusGo. For QuickBooks, for 3,000 invoices, you're going to have a list price of $7,601. To do the implementation, it'd be a flat $4,500. If you look at a 3-year contract, it would be $27,300. So you can see how quick and easy it is to get a proposal for your customers utilizing the MediusGo pricing calculator. If you would like to learn more about MediusGo, feel free to reach out to me directly at cstiegel@cornell.com. Again, that's CSTIGALL@cornell.com. Thank you and have a great day.